Hello once again, Eric with Master Tool Repair. Here we are going to identify the basic parts of a compressor. A standard portable compressor here with all your typical parts, just real simple 101 basic how to install or how to identify the parts on a compressor. Alright, it's coming around to the pump motor assembly. We have your shroud covering the motor pump assembly and the fan. Here of course we have your air filter, the element. We have going around this area here in the tank, drain cock or drain valve used to drain the water from the tank and moisture. Here are control units. So we have various parts, one of the most important being the pressure switch. It's the on off electrical switch, as well as the controls the cut in and cut out pressure of the unit. With your unloader valve, a small valve on the side releases the head pressure after it shuts off, and your unloader line, of course, connecting to the check valve on the other side of the tank. We have, of course, a tank pressure gauge, reading tank pressure. We have our regulator, a regulator knob to adjust the line pressure width to the hose. We have a regulated pressure gauge to dial in that pressure to the line. And our coupler, of course, to our hose. Going around over here, we have, of course, the safety pop-off valve, which, of course, if the switch fails, this was set to pop off at a predetermined pressure so the tank does not explode. And we have over here where the unloader line routes to, the check valve. It's a one-way valve, holds the air in the tank. Some manufacturers may call it a head unloading valve, some may call it a non-return valve. All other names for a check valve. So that's our check valve. Of course, into the check valve, we have our copper discharge tube or transfer tube. And that is, of course, routed to the pump head, the discharge of the pump head. So, of course, sometimes you'll have a manufacturer notate this as a discharge tube or a transfer tube, one and the same. And, of course, we have another little head unloading valve is what it is, like a needle valve on top, just to release all the head pressure off of the unit when it starts. Those are the basic parts of your typical compressor, whether it be large or small. It's typically what you'll find on a compressor. If you have any more questions, you can always visit our service department, technical department on the website at mastertoolrepair.com or call in a sales rep for more assistance. Thank you once again for watching.